Welcome to my class. Welcome, welcome. Again, welcome to this college, a new step of your life. First of all, I must give you my introduction, who I am. I am Ashim Kumar Ghosh. Everybody knows me as Ashim Sir. I am an assistant professor in Department of English, Bangabandhu Mohila College, Kalaroa, Satkhira. That is your college. And the aim of my class is to read English with you. I am your teacher, but never think that I will teach you, because teaching is something which can be given, and but there must be something who must take this from the man who is teaching. But I think it is better not to teach, rather to read with you. Thank you. But before starting your class, I must tell you about the very syllabus which you have to appear at the examination, your final exam, that is HSC exam. English is your compulsory subject, and you have got two papers. English first paper and English second paper is carrying 100 marks. That is, you have to appear at the final examination for 200 marks, and it is compulsory. Then you can ask me why I am talking to you about these English marks. You know, you know it very well that when you were on the road, if you don't know where to go, then where will you go? So English is a language, and it has vast syllabus all over the world. But for your exam, you have to become specified with the very syllabus you have been assigned by the board, so you must learn this. So you have a textbook, you will just see this next. Before that, you must learn about the marks you have in your papers. That is, English first paper, you have only 100 marks, and you will get two parts in your English first paper. Part 1, that is called reading test, and you have only 60 marks here, and the very first question, you will be given a passage from your textbook, and you have to answer two questions from that passage. One is called MCQ, that is multiple choice question, which carries 5 marks, and you have to write the answers of 5 short questions, each carries 2 marks. So total 10. This is 15. Number 3, you will be given one passage, and you have to make a flow chart from this. This, I think, this is a new question for you, and you will learn time to time. And uh, you have only 10 marks in this question. Number 4, you will be given one passage to fill in the gaps, and you will be given some clues also, and this carries 5 marks. Next one, it is also a gap question, and you will have 10 marks in this, but you will have no clues here. Next, question number 6. This is called rearrangement. That is, you will be given 10 sentences to make the order of the sentences, and it is for 10 marks. Next, part 2. This is called writing test. and here is 40 marks. Number 7, it is totally unseen. You will be given to write a paragraph here, it carries 10 marks. Next, question number 8, you will be given 2 or 3 sentences from the beginning of a story, and you are to complete the whole story from your own thought process, from your own style of writing, and it carries 7 marks. Next question number 9, you'll be asked to write an email, and it carries 5 marks. Number 10, there will be a chart. Different kinds of charts there are for you, but here you will describe the chart for 10 marks. Number 11, this is called theme. You will be given one pitch of poetry from your textbook or outside it, and this carries 8 marks. This is total 100 marks. Next is English second paper. It is also of 100 marks, and there are two parts of this question. Part 1, this is called grammar, 60 marks, and part B, this is called composition, 40 marks. In the grammar section, you will be given 12 questions and is carrying 5 marks. Number 1, use of articles. Number 2, use of appropriate prepositions. Number 3, completing sentences with given suitable phrases. Number 4, completing sentences with suitable clauses or phrases. Number 5, rewrite form of verbs. Number 6, transformation. Number 7, narration. Number 8, unclear pronoun. Number 9, modifiers. Number 10, connectors. Number 11, synonyms and antonyms. Number 12, punctuation marks. All these questions you have to answer from second paper grammatical section. So you have got no textbook for this part. Not you will be also given any textbook for part B, that is called composition, carries 40 marks. And there are 4 questions here. Number 13, email or application question, it carries 8 marks. Number 14, report for a newspaper, 8 marks. Number 15, paragraph, 10 marks. Number 16, short composition, 14 marks. Then total English second paper carries 100 marks. Then this is their first class, and you will be asked to buy a textbook from any bookshop, bookstore, only 70 to 80 tackers, and this is your textbook, and the name of your textbook is the same as it was in your early classes. This is called English for Today, classes 11 and 12, National Curriculum Textbook Board. uh, you will see what there are in your books. Before going to start reading, we must learn about what are there in this book. You see table of contents, that is you will get 15 units here, and each unit it is divided into different parts, different lessons. You will be given 3 lessons and 4 lessons, etc. etc. And unit 1, unit 2, unit 1, people or institutions making history. I'm glad to let you learn that after the table of contents, we will start reading the very first unit, people and institutions making history. Thank you. Next, unit 2, traffic education. Unit 3, food adulteration. Unit 4 Human Relationships, Unit 5 Adolescence, Unit 6 Path to Higher Education, Unit 7 Human Rights, Unit 8 Environment and Nature, Unit 9 Myths and Literature, Unit 10 Dreams, Unit 11 Diaspora, Unit 12 Peace and Conflict, Unit 13 Greatest Scientific Achievements, Unit 14 Art and Music, and Unit 15 Tours and Travels. These are all your units which you have to read, read, and read, because you will be given different kinds of questions in your English first paper from these texts. There are prose and also poetry, and also some descriptions here on different subjects. Then we are going to start the very unit 1. You know it very well that it is quite impossible for us to finish it, but we can start today, and then next in the next class we can try to finish this. My aim is to show you how I can show you how to read the text paper, text passages. Say this is unit on people and institutions making history. And you know the meaning of people. People means মানুষজন or লোকজন. But here people means জনগণ নয়. People means somebody else who is exceptional in the history of the world. And institutions means প্রতিষ্ঠান. Here also there are crores of institutions in this world, but we are going to start about only the institutions which are very famous for their help for mankind. People and institutions making history, history মানে ইতিহাস, মেক মানে তৈরি করা। এখানে তাহলে সেই জিনিসগুলোর কথা বলতে যাচ্ছে, সেই মানুষজনের কথা যারা বিশ্ববিখ্যাত হয়েছে, সেই সমস্ত প্রতিষ্ঠানের কথা যারা খ্যাতিমান হয়ে বিশ্ববিখ্যাত হয়েছে মানব জাতির জন্য কিছু করার জন্যে, মানুষকে পথ দেখানোর জন্যে, মানুষকে শিক্ষা দেওয়ার জন্যে। And this is lesson on, you see the very title of this lesson on Nelson Mandela, from apartheid fighter to president. Nelson Mandela, this is a very famous name all over the world, and we can say he was the light in the darkness of this world for the mankind, who shows us a light through which we can reach our goal. He has also shown us what to do. Here is an explanation. Apartheid. Apartheid means difference. Apartheid means পার্থক্য, বৈষম্য, fighter মানে যোদ্ধা. But really I can say that he was not a fighter in the field, in the battlefield, but he was a fighter in his own way, that is in his country, against the apartheid. You will learn about this word next time when we will start reading the text. To president. Then this man fought all along his life, and in his later life he became the president of South Africa. And before beginning the text, you see there are four images, four pictures here, and we will learn about these four people, four persons. This is Nelson Mandela, who was the president of South Africa. This is very famous one. He is very acquainted with us. We know him very well from our childhood. He is our national poet, Kobi Kazi Nazrul Islam, that is a rebel poet, Dr. Mohila. And here I have given you Nelson Mandela, number 2 Kazi Nazrul Islam, the rebel poet and our national poet. Number 3 Dr. Mohila, a Bengali linguist, philologist, educationist, and writer. Number 4 Bill Gates. His full name is William Henry Gates. He was born in October 28, 1955. He is an American business magnate, software developer, and philanthropist. He is best known as the co-founder of Microsoft Corporation. You know, everything is happening now in this world with online, and the way to work through online is the help of a computer. And computer is divided into two parts. It has hardware, that is the base parts by the metals by which it is formed, and next one is software, and this man is very famous for his computer. Then I can say that this is the very first class, and I think you have just enjoyed. Then I can say that it's your case whether you will enjoy it or not. Then the next class will begin, that is the next part of this class will start soon. Just see and find out where you can get all this. So best of luck and have a nice time. Bye.